How to find someone's phone number on Facebook if private? So let me inform you that there is no such direct way that you can do in order to find someone's phone number on Facebook if it is private. So let me show you for example. Let's tap on friends icon at the top of the screen next to marketplace icon. So on this friends page, you need to tap on your friends and see the list of your friends. Let's open someone that we want to know or find phone number on Facebook if their account is private. Let's tap on about and check if we can see their phone number. Unfortunately, there is no phone number on this account shown on this page. So the only way you can do is you have to go to Messenger and you can simply ask directly to them, or you can inbox them or DM them by saying that you need their phone number on Facebook. So that's the only way you can do. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.